It's me Mantasha, and today I'm going to make a loose watercolor floral bouquet. Through this tutorial I'll make you learn that how you can also make a loose watercolor floral bouquet in an easy way. This is what I have sketched. I will paint this sheet to make it easier for you all. So without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. It's my palette. I'm using this artist watercolor tubes, but you can also use any other kind of watercolor. I'll show you how you paint this image. This loose effect is only can be seen when you are using a lot of water. Let me paint the base, okay, so that you can see that how it will look. So base, but for the base I'm using this. Filbert brushes are more perfect to paint this, but because I have put it a color on it, that's why I'm using it. With soft hands, and don't just press a lot of, but take it easier. Actually, it's raining outside, that's why you are able to listen that rainy effect through my audio. Actually, I find more easier to paint watercolor florals, especially in loose watercolor florals, because it doesn't require any details, any outlining, any finishing touches. I'm making the second flower. Above this, start with the first petal. I'm outlining the petals so that I can get the perfect petals, especially round ones, because it's perfect with the filbert brushes, and it's round brush, so I'm outlining the petals. Just making it a more perfect and round. Okay, the second flower is ready. Not detailing, the base is only. It's turn for the third flower. Okay, actually it's very small, so wash the brush for the petal effect and the shades. I'm using this yellow ochre. This much only you need. I think this is perfect. This is number 6 brush, that is for the base. For the whole flower I have used this 6 number brush, and this brush doesn't having any number. Actually the number is removed by the so much usage of it. This in this way you can give that petal effect. That's it. And now the center of the flower, I mean this part, I'm using this sap green with yellow ochre. In this way you can paint the center of this flower by pressing the tip of this brush. Again, the dot effect you have to give. Twig is there. This. Now I'm needle-like leaves. Start with the tip and press in the middle of the leaf. That start with the tip, middle, press and just leave in this way. After this, I'm making a more lighter shade leaves. Kind of such a, very peaceful vibe. To paint in a very relaxing, enjoying, and you can fill the blank spaces with more leaves or birds. Loose watercolor floral tutorial is ready. I hope this simple and easy and quick watercolor tutorial will help you to paint your watercolor flowers. Wait for the next tutorial. Stay blessed, stay happy.